experiment. For example, if copper sulfate solution, zinc sulfate solution, if you prepare the copper sulfate solution, dip the zinc, what happened? Zinc easily displacing the copper because zinc having the high negative charge. Zinc having the high negative charge. For example, already I gave you one of the question. Colorful electrode is coupled with. That it means colorful electrode. Okay. If this colorful electrode is coupled with any one of the, for example, zinc bar, zinc2 plus. Whatever my question is that already this question is asking in the CET examination. Okay, if the colorful electrode is coupled with zinc bar, zinc2 plus, what happened? Write the overall reaction, self-representation, this anything. Okay, first one, we have to mention which is the anode and which is the cathode. Say, comparing these both of this, what is anode, which is cathode? Zinc anode, because E naught value of zinc bar, zinc 2 plus is equal to how much? Is equal to minus 0.77. It having the most negative value, therefore it is considered as a anode. Second one, if you take this E naught of Hg plus bar Hg, its E naught value is 0.2422. That is act as a cathode. Could you understand? Next one. What is the cell representation? What is the formula for cell representation? First one, anode, double solid cathode. What is anode is that? Zinc. So you have to first represent zinc bar, zinc 2 plus, double solid. In cathode you must be first put the H plus, Hg plus means that is electrolyte. Plus அப்படினா வந்து கலர் என்னது electrolyte. இது வந்து என்ன electrode. Okay, cathode னா first என்ன போடணும் electrolyte போடணும், second one வந்து என்ன போடணும் electrode போடணும். Anode னா first electrode அப்புறம் electrolyte. இது கரெக்ட்டா மைண்ட்ல வெச்சு. ஓகேவா? In cathode reaction Hg plus bar Hg, that is the cell representation. Okay, next one. Next what is that? E naught value. What is E naught value? What is the formula for E naught value? ER minus EL. R means E cathode minus E anode. What is the cathode here? E Hg minus E is a tan. E naught Hg by E naught is a tan. Okay. So then now what is the answer for that? Say E naught value of Hg is equal to how much? 0.2422 minus 0.77. So minus into minus is equal to plus. So 0.2422 plus 0.77. How much is that? Then E naught value is equal to 1.022 volt. That is the E naught value. E naught value for this cell. This is one half cell. This is another one half cell. Okay. E naught value of overall cell is equal to E naught is equal to 1.022. Okay. Next one. See what is that? Using this anode half cell reaction, cathode half cell reaction. How do you write anode half cell reaction? Anode, which kind of reaction occurs? Oxidation. So anode half cell reaction, what is anode is that? Zinc. Okay. Appo enna nadukku anode half cell reaction? Anode reaction, zinc gives Zinc2 plus 2 electron. That's all. That is anode half cell reaction. In cathode, in cathode Hg plus or minus 2 plus or plus அப்ப Hg plus இங்க எவ்வளவு எலக்ட்ரான் எவால்வ் ஆயிருக்கு 2 electron gives Hg precipitate plus electron. You understand? Because here only one charge 2 electron, so only one electron not cancel out, remaining one electron is there. Could you understand or not? So first என்ன செய்றோம் anode அப்படினா electron liberate ஆகும். electron liberate is called anode. Oxidation occurs. So zinc வந்து zinc 2 plus அதோட அதுதான் போட்டுருக்காங்க. zinc is to money with zinc 2 plus by the liberation of 2 electron. அங்க இத்தனை எலக்ட்ரான் லிபரேட் ஆகுதோ it should be accepted by this cathode. Cathode என்ன இருக்கு Hg. Hg plus plus 2 electron gives Hg. Remaining என்ன 1 plus ஒரு எலக்ட்ரான் மைனஸ் கேன்சல் ஆனா ஒரு எலக்ட்ரான் பெண்டிங் இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? So ஒரு எலக்ட்ரான். Then overall reaction is equal to how much? So let 2 electron and 2 electron cancel. Then Zinc plus Hg plus gives Zinc 2 plus Hg plus electron. இப்படியே போடுறோம். ஆக்சுவலா இதுதான் spontaneity non spontaneity இப்படி தான் போறோம். That's all. That is overall reaction. Okay. Next one, what is that? BCD. G naught value. What is the formula for G naught? Minus NF E naught first one. How many electrons is there? Gaining electron எவ்வளவு? ஒரு electron liberate ஆயிடுச்சு. How many electron gain ஆயிருக்கு? Use பண்ணிக்க reaction how many electron is there? Only one electron. So here N is equal to 1. What is the E naught value? How much? 1.022. What is F? 96,500. Substitute that. Say 1 minus 1 into 96,500 into 1.022 volt. How much?
Minus 98,000.
Minus 98,623 joules. எப்போதுமே gives 300 formula joules. Okay, next one. See, what is that? Delta Ka value. Adana கேட்டிருக்கோம். Ka value. Log Ka. What is the formula for log Ka? N E naught whole divided by 0.59. This is equal to N எவ்வளவு? 1 into E naught value 1.0.05. So 1.022 whole divided by 0.059. எவ்வளவு வருது? Then log K is equal to 70 ஆ? 17.32. இது போட்டுருந்தா கூட ஆன்சர் கொடுக்க முடியும். So that's it. நான் கேட்ட क्वेश्चनக்கு இதே மாதிரி கம்பைன் பண்ணி இது எல்லாமே தான் கேட்டோம். செட் 4 நினைக்கிறேன். I think set 5 set 4 or set 5 was it. So அதுல கேட்டதுக்கு ஒவ்வொரு கம்பைன் பண்ணி தான் ஆன்சர் பண்ணுவோம். So that's it. So இதே கலம்ல இதோட டீம் SN ஓட கம்பைன் பண்ணி எப்படி வரும்? அதே மாதிரி FE ஓட கம்பைன் பண்ணி எப்படி வரும்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆனோட கேத்தோட டிட்டர்மினேஷன் பண்ணணும். டிட்டர்மினேஷன் பண்ணி E naught வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டீங்கன்னா ரிமைனிங் எல்லாமே அந்த சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணலாம். இதுதான் வரும். எத்தனை பேர் வர்க் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க? Similarly for C dot examination first set 1 என்ன? Zinc with silver இல்லையா? Zinc is the anode, silver is the cathode. அந்த diagram வரைஞ்சா remaining everything easy. Okay, என்ன electron எங்க flow ஆகுது? Ions எங்க flow ஆகுது? Okay, then next வேற என்ன கேட்டாங்க? How many electron gain? How many electron loss? Everything are cancel. Set 2 என்ன? Set 2 question என்ன? For a column electron descriptions. So quicksilver means that is mercury. It is mercury in its own solution. Hg2Cl2 mercurous chloride. Okay. அப்ப என்ன first column electron description ல column electron zinc and copper. இதே மாதிரியே தான் zinc and copper ஓட கம்பேர் பண்ணி அதுல E naught value Gk value கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது. log Ka this answer போட்டுனா கூட சும்மா போடுங்க. நீ K ஆன்சர் எடுத்து போடணும்னு கூட நான் போடுறேன். இது போட்டுனா கூட நான் போடுறேன். That's all. So if any one of the concept you have to put பண்ணும்போது உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும் how much you have been logged total log. So you have to using this data and how to apply your what is the concept in this formulas. Okay, please have the name and work பண்ணிப்பாங்க. The next one today we are going to see about concentration. So note first. Next one, concentration cell. Concentration cell means nothing but there are two. Already we know that electrochemical cell consists of two main compartments. First one, anode compartment. It consists of one of metal drum, electrolyte is a solution. Okay, electrode is a metal drum, electrolyte is a solution. This is consist of one of the electrode and electrolyte and one of the salt which is attached here. Already we know that is the setup of electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell oda setup idha. இப்போ என்ன செய்றோம் concentration cell அப்படினா என்னன்னா already we know that one of the electrode is dipped in its own solution. Okay, this concentration cell can be classified into two types. First one, electrode concentration cell. Second one, electrolyte concentration cell. So electrode concentration cell, electrolyte concentration cell. So electrode concentration cell is nothing but see both having the same electrode but different kinds of same solution but different kinds of electrode. See, this is consist of one of the hydrogen electrode. This is another one of the hydrogen electrode. Between here, any one of the acid HCl, both having the concentration of 1 molar. Okay, here the atmospheric pressure is 0.01. Here the atmospheric pressure is 1 atm. That's it. So concentration cell is nothing but it is one of the electrochemical cell. It is one of the electrochemical cell. Both electrode or electrolyte concentration may be vary. What is concentration cell? Only electrode oda concentration vary aagalam alladhu electrolyte oda concentration vary aagalam. Here see, this is another one of the example of electrolyte concentration cell. To consist of this is copper electrode, this is copper electrode, this is copper sulfate solution, this is copper sulfate solution. This copper sulfate solution having 1 molar and this copper sulfate solution is 0.1 molar. Okay. See, so concentration cell is a electrochemical solution. Electrochemical cell. Concentration cell is a electrochemical cell, but varying the electrode or electrolytic concentration. What is concentration cell? Concentration cell ingradhu enna solranga? It is a electrochemical cell. But edhula differ aagalam? Only electrode oda concentration liyo illa electrolyte oda concentration liyo differ aagalam. What is concentration cell? It is a electrochemical cell, but may be varying in electrode or electrolytic concentration. See, there are two kinds of concentration cell. First one is the electrode concentration cell. This is the best example for electrode concentration cell. See, both the hydrogen electrode. This both hydrogen electrode having between a same solution. What is that? 1 molar HCl, 1 molar HCl. In this cell setup, electrolytic concentration is same. See, electrolytic concentration is same, but differ in the pressure of electrode. But differ in the pressure of electrode. அப்ப electrode concentration சொன்னா என்ன? electrode differ ஆகும். எதுல? அதோட pressure differ ஆகும். But electrolyte same ஆகும். Same electrolytic solution differ in the electrode. Differ in the electrode means both have the same electrode, but differ in the atmospheric pressure. Okay, that is called electrode concentration cell. What is electrode concentration cell? Same electrode are dipped in a same electrolytic solution having the same concentration, but electrode pressure may be vary. Electrode pressure மட்டும் என்ன ஆகும்? vary ஆகும். Here this electrode என்ன ஆகும்? 0.01. இங்க 1 atmospheric pressure. இந்த மாதிரி அதோட electrodeல pressureல மட்டும் vary ஆயிருந்தா that is called what is that? Electrode concentration cell. Similarly here see electrolyte concentration cell. Both having the same electrode, copper. Okay, here same solution, but concentration of electrolytic solution may be vary. The electrolytic solution or the concentration and of differ ஆகும். That is called electrolytic concentration cell. What is electrolytic concentration cell? Same electrode or different different concentration of electrolytic solution. Same electrode or different different concentration. This is the lower concentration, this is the higher concentration. In lower concentration it is act as a anode, higher concentration act as a cathode. The ion flow from lower to higher. That is called electrolytic concentration cell. What is concentration cell? Concentration cell is a electrochemical cell. But varying the concentration of electrode or electrolyte. There are two kinds of concentration cell. First one is the electrode concentration cell. Second one is the electrolyte concentration cell. So first one, electrode concentration cell is nothing but both the anode and the cathode having the same electrolytic solution but differ in the electrode pressure. Electrode or pressure namakku differ aagum. Best example is hydrogen. Hydrogen having the 1 atmospheric pressure, here 0.01 atmospheric pressure. Its pressure only vary, but electrolytic solution is same. So what is that? Electrode concentration same enna solrom? Same. Electrolytic solution oda concentration same ah irukum. Electrode oda concentration differ agum. That is called what is that? Electrode concentration cell. Here electrolyte concentration cell both having the same electrode. Electrode ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கும். But differ the concentration of electrolyte. The concentration differ ஆகும். அப்ப electrolyte concentration differ ஆகிறதுல எது lower concentration will be act as a anode. Okay, ion flow from what is that? Anode to இங்கே இப்படி lower concentration to high concentration. So அப்படி வந்து ion flow ஆகும். That is called electrolytic concentration cell. Okay, up to this என்ன over concentration cell over. One more time to explain. See, this is the reaction occurs in anode compartment in electrolytic solution. Listen, in electrolytic concentration cell, in anode these kinds of reaction will be occur. Cu1 means the copper solution present in the first compartment, anode compartment. That only I represent Cu1. Okay, Cu1. What is the reaction occurs in anode? What is oxidation? Liberation of electrons. So copper gives copper 2 plus 2 electron. Okay, next one in cathode. See that compartment. What happened? This liberating 2 electron is accepted in here. Copper and already present in it. Okay, accept one is Cu2. Cu2 ங்கிறது என்ன ஆகுங்க? But 2 ங்கிறது எதை ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணுது? Copper present in here cathode compartment. So the overall net reaction, see, copper 2 plus. This is the reactant side. This is the product side. Both have been cancelled. And next one. See here electron. Okay, this both electron will be cancelled. So Cu1 is equal to equilibrium Cu2. The copper present in the first compartment is equilibrium to the copper present in the second compartment. That is called overall reaction. One more time I explain. Concentration cell is nothing but it is electrochemical cell, but maybe varying the concentration of electrode or electrolytic solution. Okay, two kinds of concentration cell. First one is the electrode concentration cell. Second one is the electrolyte concentration cell. In electrode concentration cell, what happened? In electrode concentration cell, both the electrolytic solutions are same, but electrodes are differ in the pressure. In electrolytic solution, both the what is that? Electrodes are same, but differ in the concentration of electrolytic solution. Here electrode means metal rod, electrolytic solution means solution. Okay, next one. See, reversible and irreversible cell. So, reversible and irreversible cell. What is reversible cell? Again and again we can be recharged and use it in your day-to-day purpose. That is called reversible. Irreversible means it should be only one day recharge. You are able to recharge it. That is called irreversible cell. That is one main condition is, see, for reversibility. First one, applied EMF is equal to the derived EMF. Net reaction value is 0. Second one, applied EMF smaller than derived EMF forward reaction will be occur. All of you notice on the board. Next one, applied EMF greater than derived EMF. Backward reaction. See, this is the condition for reversibility. So if one cell want to be act as a reversible means it must be obey these three conditions. Any one of the three conditions. First one, if the applied EMF means E, everything same. Okay. Applied EMF is equal to the derived EMF. Its net reaction is equal to 0. If applied EMF is smaller than derived EMF, the forward reaction will be occurs. Forward reaction means what is that? The reaction is facing on the equilibrium area. It should be shifted to the forward. So forward reaction will be occurs if the applied EMF is greater than the derived EMF. What happens? Backward reaction will be occurs. If any one of the cell obey these three conditions or any one of the conditions, that is called reversible cell. Irreversible cell means it does not obey these conditions. So that is called irreversible cell. So what is the best example for reversible cell? Alkaline battery, dry cell. These are the example for what is that? Reversible cell. Irreversible cell. That are the example for irreversible cell. Alkaline battery, dry cell and irreversible cell example. Reversible cell lithium ion battery, lead acid storage battery, all the secondary battery obey the reversibility. Okay, example for all the primary battery, example for irreversible cell. All the secondary battery, example for reversible cell. Okay. First one. Its cell representation is is the H-shaped glass tube. One side acts as a cathode, another one acts as a anode. See, this is the in cathode side should be consist of cadmium sulfate crystal and CD. CD means what is that? Cadmium, Hg and mercury. Okay, mercury other name is quicksilver. Okay, CD, Hg paste. Okay, that is act as a cathode. So in cathode side what happened? Two kinds of crystals. First one, what is that? என்னடா போட்டுருக்கோம்? CD, Hg paste. அதுக்கு மேல என்ன? CdSO4 crystal. Electrolyte solution is called CdSO4. C, that is electrode. So first one, cathode side should be filled by cadmium mercury paste. Okay, and cadmium sulfate crystal. Here the cadmium mercury paste இருக்கும். அதுக்கு மேல என்ன இருக்கும்? Cadmium sulfate crystal. அதுக்கு மேல என்ன? Concentration solution of cadmium sulfate. Okay, so each cathode side is filled by this three. Okay, platinum foil is fixed here. On the anode side, that is we are fixed by the three main chemicals. First one is the cadmium mercury paste, similarly for the cathode side. Second one, cadmium sulfate crystal. அதுக்கு மேல என்ன? mercurous sulfate. Formula is Hg2SO4 mercurous sulfate. அதுக்கு மேல என்ன வரும்? Concentration solution of CdSO4 should be mingled that electrolyte solution. So in cell representation is cadmium. எதனா mercury ல dip ஆகும்போது listen, mercury ல dip ஆகும்போது should be act as a mercury electrode. Okay, but Cd2+ yeah, அங்க என்ன electrolyte solution? CdSO4. Concentration CdSO4 is a electrolyte solution. Okay, the double reticulate is represented as here salt bridge. So here the first என்ன பண்ணனும்? Anode side ல first electrode போடணும், அப்புறம் electrolyte. In cathode side first you have to fix the electrolyte. என்ன electrolyte solution? Hg2SO4 but Hg. Okay, so what is anode reaction? Anode is liberation of electron. Gadolinium gives liberating 2 electron should be converted into gadolinium 2+ ion. Okay, similarly this gadolinium 2 electron is accepted by the mercurous chloride. Mercurous chloride sulfate or accept ஆகி என்ன நமக்கு கிடைக்கும்? Mercury will be deposited here. So the overall reaction இது கிடையாது. So anode like this kind of reaction, cathode this kind of reactions. That's all. That is called Western damping cell. The main application of this cell is producing high amount of voltage. That's all. Up to this electrochemistry over. So evening வந்து energy storage releases.